Hey guys, so this is a vlog of me going to IKEA. This is, I guess you can call it part two of a series because I did also have a video last week, I think, of me trying all of the food from the IKEA cafeteria. So check that out too if you haven't already. So this is kind of just like the entrance display thing that they have. I love the IKEA sets, and this is the Swedish restaurant, which check out that video. Whenever you walk into an IKEA, they have like that escalator thing where you can go all the way up, and they always have all of these like decor and other things that are there. This is the start of the maze, but it wasn't really, so I ended up getting really lost, and I was just like walking back and forth all day, or not all day, but at least for a few hours in the IKEA store. But this is the part of the store where they have like the kids' toys and stuff. I love the IKEA kids' toys, but I didn't pick any up this time because honestly, they've gotten a lot more expensive lately. I remember that like these dogs used to be, I think, 15 or so dollars, and then when I went, it was like over 20. And they also have some of these like non-soft toys. That one didn't work, but yeah, again, more expensive than I thought it would be, which was surprising because IKEA is known to be like a cheap store. I've always really wanted to pick up one of these sharks, but it was $24, so I didn't want to get it. They have a pretty large like selection of all of these different sharks and bears and all of that. So if you're looking to stock up, not bad, but they are kind of expensive. I guess cheaper than like an actual toy store. I do love this like gigantic bear. I might still get it. It was $25 though. And these pandas, I actually already have two, so I didn't get any, but they used to be $1.99, and then the last time I got my second panda, it was $2.99. So now it's $3.99. So it's like inflation of a dollar every year. And then I left the toy and children's section and went into this section, which I think it was just like storage stuff. I found these cute baskets, but they were $55, so I did not get them, but they were really cute. Later on, which you'll see right now, I think, or in a little bit, I found different baskets, but I'll describe. Okay, no, actually, it's right here. These baskets that you're about to see were $15. They were really cute. And these baskets are only $5, and that's a lot more than my price range. I didn't actually need any baskets though that day, so I didn't pick any up. But the $5 baskets are definitely where I would be personally. And then yeah, I think that this is just like their storage part of the store. If you haven't ever been to an IKEA, it's like kind of divided into sections. So like they have a kitchen section, a bathroom section, a kid section, a bedroom section. They have all of these different sections that you can like go through and pick out stuff. And you like obviously don't have to you buy like or grab anything. You can just grab like the number, and then when you go to checkout, you can just show them, and then they'll either deliver or give it to you at that point. And then I headed into like this sectional part of the living room section. They had all sorts of like pretty comfortable couches, and I will say that for the price of a couch, they weren't that bad. And as you can see from that arrow on the bottom, I was headed the wrong way, which contributed to me getting lost. But they had sleeper sofas, sectionals, all of that jazz. And then this is my favorite part of an IKEA, just like their set up. I don't know what you would like their set decor thing, the fake bedrooms or house decorations that they have. I love those. Seeing them is just really fun. This is a kind of small one. It only has one like actual room in it, but it is pretty cool. This is another one, but it was not open yet, so I wasn't able to like actually tour it on the inside. They had a dining room, a living room, and a kitchen. And I just love seeing like these model rooms, I guess, even though nobody actually lives like it. Like, I don't know about you guys, but no, I've never had like our kitchen or living room or dining room be that like picturesque. And then over here was just another smaller living room. I was in the living room section at the time with all the sectionals and the couches and the easy chairs. And yeah, that is kind of that part. And then they had these like stools in the back that you can see. They were only like 10-ish dollars, I think. So I oh, okay, this is not the right part. These are the side tables. Those are not 10-ish dollars. I think that this is a continuation of the sectionals and the sofas and stuff. This is what I was talking about. This side table. That's only $10, which I guess is a pretty decent deal. I'd say that IKEA's normally priced stuff isn't like the best deal, but sometimes their sales items do give a pretty good sale discount. And this is just a map. I couldn't get it to focus, but it's a pretty large store if you haven't ever been in an IKEA. It's like a warehouse maze thing, and it's pretty cool. I actually had never been in an IKEA until I moved up north because I am originally from the Florida area where there weren't a lot of IKEAs around the town that I lived in. This is another set, and I just love seeing like all of these books together. They're obviously all fake books, but I think that it's really cute to see them like kind of all collected together. And this is actually what you're about to see is actually a part of one large set, and it's a very big set. Like they had basically everything. A child's bedroom, a real bedroom. This is the kitchen, which I didn't know that IKEA sold like pots and stuff too, but they do. And then they also sell like I guess ovens, which is also pretty cool. I did not know like that they sold like the full spectrum. Like you could literally like decorate your entire house. Although I don't know if I'd call like ovens and stuff decorations. And this is the bathroom set. I don't think that they actually sell like toilets or like shower stuff, but um, they apparently do sell like laundry stuff, even the machines. So that's what that looks like. I've always wanted to get one of these like soap laundry dispenser things. I think that they're pretty cool, but honestly, for $30, I can live without it. And there were people in the child's bedroom, so I put that afterwards. But this is like the normal bedroom set. They have hangers for $9. You can get like eight, yeah, eight of them for $9, which isn't the worst deal. But again, I shop at the Goodwill outlet where you can get a bunch of hangers for much cheaper. And then this was a child's bedroom kind of decor. Then you're about to see, but they also had a outdoor decoration in this, yeah, in the same set. So it was a very large set of literally the entire home. Anyway, that's all for today. Thanks so much for watching. If you've made it this far and listening to me yap, like and subscribe for more, and bye.